Here's my 3-day vlog from Jim Corbett, and I'll try to cover everything from the mode of transport we took to my safari experience, the resort we stayed in, as well as the other activities that we did at Jim Corbett. So हमने journey की शुरुआत की from Delhi and we boarded a train known as Uttarakhand Sampark Kranti. It is a decent AC chair car and it starts from Old Delhi railway station at 4 p.m. and reaches Ramnagar railway station at 9 p.m. बट जब हम रेलवे स्टेशन पहुंचे तब हमें पता चला कि हमारी ट्रेन डिलेड है, नॉट बाई 1 or 2 hours बट बाई 4.5 hours। हम 8:30 दिल्ली से निकले एंड वी रीच्ड रामनगर एट 1:30 in the morning। लकीली हमने एक टैक्सी ड्राइवर से ऑलरेडी टाई अप किया हुआ था, सो ही वाज ऑलरेडी वेटिंग फॉर अस एट द रामनगर रेलवे स्टेशन।
झपट्टा मार देता है जिप्सी में, ये कर देता है।
We were very sleepy at that time, but ड्राइवर वाले भैया ने कुछ ऐसी स्टोरीज बताई जिससे हमारी नींद पूरी तरीके से खुल गई थी। Also, we spotted deers on our way to our resort. We were staying at Patli Doon Safari Lodge, and एक पॉइंट के बाद हमें रिजॉर्ट की कार पिकअप करने आ गई थी because we had to go off road as Patli Doon is located on the outskirts of Ramnagar. जो बची कुची नींद थी वो भी टूट गई थी बिकॉज आर कार वॉज रियली जगलिंग थ्रू द रोड, बट एक्चुअली काफी मजा भी आया था। लिटरली ये एक एडवेंचर नाइट हो गई थी। फाइनली वी रीच द रिजॉर्ट एट अराउंड 3:30 in the morning and we were still very warmly welcomed by the hotel staff. We checked in into our room and went to sleep. In the morning we went for breakfast. The food was amazing and then we started exploring the property. बिल्कुल ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही थी as if मैं बिल्कुल जंगल के बीच में हूँ। The entire property is very raw, rustic with beautiful views. Also, the resort staffs are super courteous and they take care of all your needs. Talking about the rooms, all the rooms in the property is very spacious with all the required amenities. Our room came with a balcony, with the recliners and a jungle view. Also, there are some resort-sponsored recreational activities like this mini trek we went on. It was such a great experience. जंगल के बारे में इतना कुछ पता चला, कुछ लोकल से भी इंटरैक्ट किया, फ्लोइंग वाटर से पानी पिया। We were बिल्कुल नेचर के बीच में with so much fresh air. Also ढेर सारी फोटोज क्लिक की and it came out so good. इसके बाद we went back to the resort and it was time for high tea. High tea was already included in our stay. फिर we went to sleep early as the next day was going to be a safari day. At 4:30 in the morning we left for a safari zone. It's very much necessary कि आप पहले ही confirm कर लो whether your gypsy driver will be coming to pick you up from the resort or not. Our safari driver denied, so we went on a civil car. हमारा zone था बिचरानी and after the documents verification we entered the jungle. It was such a great experience. We spotted all sorts of deers including India's largest one, the sambar deer, monkeys, langurs, unique birds, but we were not lucky enough to spot the tiger. We just saw his paw marks, but it was a great experience. We also went to Girija Devi temple, bought some souvenirs, and when we went back to our resort, my room was decorated like this for my birthday. My husband, along with the resort staffs, had already planned this, and it was an amazing surprise. After celebrating my birthday, we went for dinner with live music, and by the way, Patli Doon ka khana is amazing. And this was it. Next day in the morning, we packed our luggage and with a heavy heart, we had to bid goodbye to Patli Doon and to Jim Corbett. We reached the Ramnagar railway station and we boarded the train again for Delhi. And I know guys, we didn't spot the tiger at the safari, जिसके लिए लोग generally Jim Corbett आते हैं, but try to enjoy the jungle and the safari experience despite you spot the tiger or not, because the jungle experience is something else.